So if you're a digital entrepreneur, whether you sell ebooks or courses, or you just monetize your knowledge in one way or the other, and you're tired of not getting results with your digital product, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Facebook ads to generate good results with your digital products in 2024. Let's get straight into it. All right, welcome to a new video. This video is going to explain to you how you can use Facebook ads or even Instagram ads to generate good quality sales with your digital products wherever it is that you have hosted this digital product, whether it's ebook, whether they are courses, or whether they're just you monetizing your knowledge. The very first thing you need to understand is that your digital product must be excellent, right? Your digital product must be great, and you must have the right offer. Now, it must be a product that people are looking for, right? Because I see a lot of people create digital products all in the name of, oh yes, there's a lot of people buying digital products right now. Digital product entrepreneurs are making quite a lot of money, and then you think, okay, you can just create any digital product and then it will just sell, right? You need to first of all look into the niche that you're in. What type of digital product will perform better in this niche that I'm in? Take for example my niche, which is marketing, which is Facebook ads, Instagram ads. What we do basically, we have people who sell different type of digital products, people who sell targeting, ebooks or manuals that help people with targeting, people who sell courses on how to run ads, people who sell advanced programs on how you can do advanced stuff with Facebook and Instagram ads, right? So you need to ask yourself, the niche that I'm in, what are the different digital products that is possible? Which one can I deliver value using? Some of you might not be very great with using ebooks, so you don't need to force yourself to create an ebook if you know that a live session or a live class on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or even on Zoom is what you can do, right? So if you know that's what your strength is, then go for what exactly your strength is, because it is important that you deliver value if you want to subsequently make money from this digital product. Because remember that the value you give is what will make people feel like, yes, this person understands what he or she is saying, and then I'm going to be able to buy their subsequent courses. I'm going to be able to buy everything or anything that they come up with as a course. So it's important that you put in the work in understanding what digital products you really want to put out there, what niche you want to be doing this for, right? Now that you already have your digital product created, whether it's PDF or whether it is your course, now you want to talk about where you're going to host this digital product, right? For your digital product or hosting your digital product, you can use quite a number of platforms. There are quite a lot of platforms that you can use to host your digital products. Now, one of those platforms is Selar, right? I'm going to be focusing on Selar because Selar is what I personally use to host almost all of my digital products, and I use Selar to collect payments, and it's quite very easy to set up and also very straightforward to use. So I would always recommend it to anyone who is just starting out in hosting their digital product, whether it's ebook, whether it's courses, whatever it is that you're trying to do, whether it's a ticket for a service or a ticket for an online class or a Zoom class that you're trying to do. I'm not going to be going through all the setup of Selar. If you want to set up your Selar, you can easily go to their YouTube channel and watch exactly how you can set up your Selar. Once you have set up your Selar, the next thing you want to do is to start running Facebook ads to your digital product, right? Now, I want to believe that for you to start selling digital products, you sort of have a way that you are going to generate leads that are going to buy your digital product, right? If you have some organic ways, whether by posting on your WhatsApp status, whether by, because it's important for you to get a level of sales. It might not be much, but you need to be able to get some reviews from people or organic reviews that will be useful to you marketing that digital product. A lot of people don't have these reviews, and they feel like, I just want to run ads so that people can buy the product. Now, it's either the product is hot and people really need it and then they're buying it, or you have good reviews about the product that would prompt people to actually buy this digital product. So these things are very important, so that you don't think, oh, why is my ad not working when I'm advertising this my digital product? People will not just remove their cart and swipe when they see your digital product. They need to understand exactly what value they will get when they buy that product. And one of the best ways that you can do is crafting your content from the angle of those who have used your digital product or those who have bought it and they like it and they've received value from it. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. It is important that you create user-generated content that would help you sell your digital product. Now, you might not have the luxury of all these user-generated content, but what you can do also at the start when it comes to content is that you can create different benefits. I mean, what are the benefits of your product, right? Who is your product for? Why do they need to buy it, right? what are the benefits, what's the value in it. So you need to create all these type of videos from different angles, talking about different things about these products, so that people can understand a lot about the products, and you can use some of these videos as your content for your ads. Okay, now let's get straight into the ads manager, where I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set up the ad for your digital product. Okay, to set up the ad for your digital product, what you want to be doing is you come to the ads manager and then you click on create. Okay, so once you click on create, now the ad objective that you should use when you are selling a digital product, there are two ad objectives. Now you know that once you have created your seller, which is going to be hosting your digital product, you have a link to that product. So what you can do is that you can send people to that seller page, which is like more or less like a landing page, and then they are able to buy that product. The second thing you can do is that you can create an Instagram post, right? And then you can send people to your Instagram DM so that people can ask about that product, and you can give them the link to go and buy it. Okay, that's basically you doing a conversation ad, which is a messaging ad. So when they message you, then based on the conversation, you give them the link to buy. Now the messaging part is a bit tedious, but I like it because you are able to speak with these people one after the other and see exactly if your product is a good fit for them, and if it is, then you can give them the link to go and buy. Okay, now these are the two ways that you can use to start selling your digital products with Facebook ads. Now the first one we're going to do is traffic. Okay, so we're going to do traffic, and then we're going to click continue. Okay, then click a manual traffic campaign and then click continue. Okay, so what I'll do is that straightforward, I'll go to the ad set level. What you're going to be doing is that you're going to be sending traffic to your website. Now this would work if your product is very hot and people really need it. If it's a product that is very good and people really need it, you will get good sales from this. Okay, so what you do is send people to your website. Okay, right, and then you maximize for landing page views. Now this is important, maximize for landing page views, not link clicks. When you maximize for link clicks, people will basically just click the links, and that would count as a performance, right? And the performance you want is that people go on your seller link, and then they actually engage with the landing page, which is buying. Okay, so landing page views is what I would optimize. That would be my performance goal. Okay, so once that is set, now if your digital product is 50,000 and above, what you need to be doing is to spending above 5,000. But if it is 50,000 and below, you can still make do with spending below 5,000 naira daily, say between 3,000 to 5,000 naira daily, and you can get good results from doing that. So for this, I'm going to be using 5,000 naira. Okay, so I'm going to just type 5,000 and leave that there. Now I'm not going to put an end date to this. Now depending on what your digital product is, what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to, in my detailed targeting, here are some of the things that I'm going to do. Now, if your digital product is about money, if it's about making money, if it's about helping businesses, all right, so I'm going to start with small businesses, and then I'll click on the suggestion, and then I'll use interests that are similar to small businesses and business owners. That's how I'll keep doing it if my digital product is for business owners. Now, if my digital product is about making money, of course, one of my first targeting has to be about, one of my first interests has to be about making money. Okay, and then I'll click on the suggestion. Passive income must be there, entrepreneurship must be there, home business must be there. Depending on what your digital product is about, you are going to mix it with the niche of your digital product, and some of these things, if they have to do with business owners or if they have to do with making money. Right now, there are quite a lot of niche that digital products can be about. I cannot cover everything or every niche in this particular video. So what I'll do is that if you are interested in me giving you some of these targeting ideas, you can leave a comment on what your digital product niche is about, and then I'll give you some ideas on some of the things that you can use, some of the interest that you can use to target. Okay, so leave a comment if you're interested in this. Okay, so depending on what your niche is, I'll fix in the interest targeting, and then what I'm going to do is, of course, definitely I'm going to use a manual placement, and then as usual, I'm going to turn off Facebook and Messenger and audience network. I'll leave just Instagram as my focus for this. Okay, so once I'm done with this, then of course I'll put in my content for my ad, and then I'm going to just publish my ad. Okay, now this is the first ad goal that I want to show you. Now the second ad goal I want to show you, right, is using engagement. Using engagement is also very good. So I'm going to click engagement, then click continue, manual engagement campaign, and then click continue. Now when I get to engagement, or when I get to the ad set, what I'm going to be doing for this type of ad is that I want to do a video views advert. Right now, this video views advert is great in the way that when people watch a video about these digital products, they're able to send me a message. When they send me this message, then I can speak with them and then see that they're a good fit for my digital products, and then I give them the seller link to go and make payment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the conversion here is going to be on your ad, video views, and then I'll maximize for true play views. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is 5,000 naira, same thing, and then I'm going to come to the audience just like we did before. I'm going to do the same thing I did before for my audience, just like we did before. Now, once this is done, right, the next thing is follow up with this and then put in the contents for your ad, and then you can publish your ad. These two objectives that I've shared with you would really help you if you sell digital products. Now, what you can do is that after you've generated quite a lot of video views or a lot of views from that particular content, you can do a retargeting to target people who watched that particular video or those videos that you use for your ad, and then you can now start selling or sending them directly to the landing page to go and pay. Okay, now one of the best ways for I'm going to just mention this as I just go. I feel like I should just talk about this or also say this, that one of the best ways that you can sell your digital products if you really don't have so much money to spend on ads is that you can do either a free webinar or something that we call a lead magnet, right? I mean, lead magnets can be free webinars, free PDFs, whatever it is, and then you can upsell these people to buy your paid courses or your paid digital products. Okay, now this is easier because when you run ads to this free or these lead magnets, people usually would take them, right? If it's a free webinar, people feel like there's no harm. Especially if it's a good topic that is related to what you're about to sell, people will take that offer, and then you can use email marketing to get back to these people, or you can retarget these people and then make a lot of sales from that. Okay, it is very good, and this works well with free webinars. I've done this myself, I've used this myself quite a lot of time, and it has really worked. Okay, do a free webinar that is with a topic that is related to what you're about to sell, and then do the webinar with all that you've got, give value, and then once you're done with the webinar, you can upsell to your paid course, and people can take on your course, and it will really do help them. Okay, I hope I've been able to help you and share some ideas with you that will help you understand exactly how you can sell your digital products more. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification so that when I create a video, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.